Hi, it's Vilinda here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Digi Global Panvision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from the Middle East. UAE Exchange bags prestigious Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Award. Test skipper Anil Kumble launches Manipal University's engineering programs in Dubai. Cricketer Shrishant initiates social responsibility projects in Dubai. News headlines from Mumbai. Women's wing of Bilava Association celebrates World Women's Day. Here's what we have in our local news. Rickshaw driver Lancy D'Souza's unfortunate death shatters his family. Mohiniyattam exponent Neena Prasad fascinates Mangaloreans. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Konkani song from Saliyane Soban, a Kannada song from the musical evening held at Town Hall, and a Konkani song from Boom Boom live show.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
News in detail. UAE Exchange, the leading exchange house in the Middle East, has been awarded the prestigious Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Business Award 2007 under the finance category. This award is instituted by Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry to reward the best in business. It is worth mentioning that competing with major financial institutions and banks, UAE Exchange is the only exchange house to bag this honor apart from the three other banks. The award was received by Dr. B.R. Shetty, Managing Director and CEO of UAE Exchange, from Sheikh Hamad bin Saeed Al Maktoum, the Chairman of Emirates Group and Dubai Civil Aviation, in a glittering ceremony held at the Hotel Monarch, Dubai recently. Good news for all the aspiring engineering students of Mangalorean families living in Dubai. Manipal University, formerly known as MAHE, having over 90,000 students from 51 countries in the main campus located in Manipal, as well as sister campuses in Sikkim, Nepal and Melaka, is extending its campus in Dubai too. Manipal University, a pioneer in the field of education with campuses in India and key international locations, announced its intention of enhancing its Dubai operations on Wednesday, March 12th, with the formal launch of its highly acclaimed engineering programs. Indian Test Cricket Team Captain, Manipal Education Group Brand Ambassador Anil Kumble launched the program at a special function held in Dubai. Kumble awarded provisional admission certificates to the first 5 students of the university's newly launched engineering programs. Dr. Ayub M.A. Qasim, Executive Director, Dubai International Academic City, Anand Sudarshan, MD and CEO, Manipal Education, Dr. H.S. Balal, Pro-Chancellor, Manipal University, and Dr. B. Ramji, Director, Manipal University, Dubai Campus, were the guests. Cricket fans who are familiar with medium pacer Shantakumaram Shrishant's aggressive behavior on field must know the other face of the pace bowler. Shrishant, the aggressive Indian pace bowler, is doing some charities these days. He was in Dubai on Wednesday, March 12th to do some social welfare activities. Indian medium pace bowler Shrishant initiated social responsibility projects of Snow White, the Gulf's largest menswear showroom chain, by visiting Awir Jail in Dubai. Indian cricketer distributed on behalf of Snow White more than 50 air tickets to various destinations in India on Wednesday, March 12th. The tickets were given to deserving prisoners at the Awir jail in the presence of jail officials, dignitaries from Indian Consulate and from KYCC. Hero D. Vasani, Managing Director, Chairman Abdul Saib Shaban Sajwani of Snow White Garments, announced this at a press conference in Dubai. Bilava women in Mumbai celebrated World Women's Day recently. They invited some of the women achievers of Mumbai and honored them. Women's wing of Bilava Association Mumbai recently celebrated World Women's Day with gusto at Bilava Bhavan, Santa Cruz. Jayanti Ullal, President of Women Wing, inaugurated the program. Harvinder Kaur, Deputy Police Commissioner of Greater Mumbai, was the special guest. Janet Lawrence D'Souza, President of Mumbai Pradesh Women Congress, Dr. Mugdha Raut, gynecologist, Dr. Chitra Nair, eminent dermatologist, Uma Thakur, beauty consultant, Rohini Salyan, public prosecutor were the special invitees present at the occasion. Janaki Nagesh, Vice President of the Women's Wing, Shashikala S. Kotian, Honorary Secretary of Women's Wing, Nityananda D. Kotian, Honorary Secretary of Bilava Association, and others were present at the occasion. It is quite painful to know that auto rickshaw drivers, who are the lifeline of public transport, are becoming victims of hatred and grudge in the city. Somewhat, they are becoming easy prey to their assailants. Just after a week of the murder of Iqbal, an auto rickshaw driver at Bantwal, another auto rickshaw driver, Lancy D'Souza, was brutally murdered near Sevanti Gudde. He was mistaken for some other rickshaw driver. Lancy's family is in deep trouble and have not come out of the shock. Team TV Daiichi World brings you a special report on the plight of the bereaved family. They had planned to celebrate their 4th wedding anniversary on 20th of April in a grand way with their 3-year-old son. But all their dreams have been shattered with the untimely death of their dear one. It was neither disease nor a road accident that took the life of Pramila D'Souza's dearest husband, Lancy D'Souza.
स्वप्न अंत हांवें चिंतूंक ना अशें जाता म्हूण सांगून लॅन्सी कित्याक म्हळ्यार कोणी दुस्मन आनी कोणी नातल्ली ताका मोगान आसलो एक सगळ्यां कडेन बारीक खुशाली मनीस जावन आसलो शेजाऱ्यां कडेन इश्टां कडेन.
He fell victim to a case of mistaken identity and was brutally murdered by communal forces.
सांजेर सुवारार गळोवन गेल्लो चरको राती सगळो दीस येवना ताच्या उपरांत आमकां दुसऱ्या दिसा कळ्ळें केस अशें जाला म्हणून पुलिसांच्यान 5-7 जाणांनी मेळून मापल्यांच्यानी मेळून एका इंद्रांच्याक म्हूण सांगून व्हरून पळयतना तो क्रिस्तांव म्हूण सांगून ताणें हें केलें म्हूण तशें सांगतात.
What is more painful in Lancy's case is that he was a gem of a person and had a very good relationship with all his fellow rickshaw drivers and with his relatives. More than that, he was a hard worker. But the harm has been done. Lancy's family at Nityadan Nagar near Tokkattu is in deep trouble now. The family has not come out of the shock.
गडीत जाता म्हणून असले गडीत जाता म्हणून आमी स्वप्नांत कांय चिंतूं नायशें.
Father Dinesh Suarez, parish priest of Nityadan Nagar Church, says that both Lancy D'Souza and his wife had met him just 15 days before the incident, expressing their wish to have their own house.
एक 15 दिसां आदी ती दोगांय जाणां म्हजे सरशीन आयिल्लीं आनी तांची एक आशा जावन आसली आपणाचेंच एक घर जाय म्हणून आपणाचें इल्लें आसलें संपादन केल्लें आनी इल्लें रीण कारण आपणाचेंच एक घर करी जंय म्हणली एक आशा तांकां आसली आनी जावन 15 दिसांनी अशें जालें ताका जिवेशी मारलो ह्या लगाड काडलो. आतां ह्या वरवीं ताच्या स्त्रीयेक प्रमिळाक आनी भुरग्याक तांची मुखली जिणी कश्टांची जाल्या.
Lancy's mother, Hilda D'Souza, has tears in her eyes when she talks about her son.
हांवें कालें सांगचें म्हाका जाल्यार आमी गळोवन कालें करता म्हज्या सुनेक आनी म्हज्या नातवाक तांकां लायफ लाँग कालें म्हूण एक तुमी आदार दिवचे म्हणून हांव तुमचेर उपकार मागता.
A total of 4 persons have been arrested so far in Lancy's murder case, but the 3 prime accused are absconding. Lancy's murder has startled even the other rickshaw drivers of Tokkattu. According to Harish, a rickshaw driver at Tokkattu Junction, 7 to 8 p.m. is the peak hour. But rickshaw drivers are unwilling to work after sunset. Instead, they prefer to go home early.
ನೀವು ಬಯ್ಯ ಅನ್ನಾಗ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಎಂಕಲ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ದ ಜವನೇರ್ ಪುರ ತನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಾಗ ಪುರ ಪೋಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ದೇವನ ಆನೆ ನಡತಿನ ಘಟನೆ ಅಕ್ಲೆ ಇನಿಕ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುಂಡು.
Lancy's wife, Pramila, is a lab technician in Father Mullah Hospital and she is the only breadwinner of the family now. She has many dreams for a 2 years 8-month-old son, Lipson Prajwal. Lancy has gone away from them to a place of no return. It is high time for all the Mangaloreans to do some introspection. What has to be noticed is that all the murderers of Lancy were in their early 20s. Where is our youth heading? it is time to ensure that no other innocent person like Lancy becomes victim of hatred. Those who want to extend a helping hand to Lancy's family may contribute to SP account number 218/20620, Syndicate Bank, Fadumullah Charitable Institutions Bank, Kankanadi, Mangalore 575002. Mohiniyattam exponent Neena Prasad, who has graced the most distinguished stages performing Mohiniyattam recitals and specially choreographed works across the country and abroad, was in Mangalore on Wednesday, March 12th. She, along with her troupe, gave an opportunity for the Mangaloreans to enjoy the traditional South Indian dance form from Kerala. Neena Prasad, one of the top artists of Mohiniyattam in the country, enchanted the audience with a mesmerizing performance at Mangalore on Wednesday, March 12th. On the third day of Sanskriti Sinchana, a large number of Dr. Neena Prasad's fans gathered to see her performance. Neena, who has a matured approach to this dance form, brought out clearly all the subtle nuances of Mohiniyattam. Earlier in the evening, M.A. Sundareshwaran and M.A. Krishna Swamy of Chennai presented violin Jugalbandi. Well, that's all we have from our news desk. But don't go away. I'll be right back with some melodious songs to enthrall you music buffs after this short commercial break.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
बहरेनार आणि मस्कताक जाय पडल्यात. हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊस मेड्स, अरेबिक कुक आणि हाऊस बॉयज मुंबईत रावची. गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची वेवस्था, इमिग्रेशन, टिकेट आणि मेडिकल सगळे सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मंगलोर 575006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आता 23व्या वर्सांत.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.